I'm busy. Hey ladies, welcome to Melanie 23's channel. Hello ladies, welcome to Melanie 23's channel. So today, as y'all can see, I have taken my shiny co hair U-part wig, whatever you want to call it, that I made off. It's just a regular stocking cap wig that I made. I've only washed it once. You guys seen the video that I posted not too long ago. I'm not sure if I made a video on the braid pattern or what I was doing to my hair, but I'm going to show you now. Okay. So, first things first, since I'm changing, this is going to be my new part right here. Now, what I'm going to do is take a little bit of my hair from the front, even though I really should not be having leave out, I know, but with the U-part wig, y'all already know, it's just something you gotta do. This is not a full, not a full lace. This is not a full wig or any of that, so I kind of have to. So what I'm gonna do with this is I'm just gonna braid this back. I'm gonna moisturize my hair with a little cream, oil, and oil water. And yeah. So, I just wanted to take you guys with me just to have something to do. I'm not using anything special besides the same products I always use. But, so for the oil and water, I'm using actually I had just a little left of my sample from my black castor oil and carrot oil. So I only had like this much left in my spray bottle. So I'm going to be using that. And see, this is my new part, which my hair has grown. So it's probably not going to hold on as tight. Actually, you guys are going to be here to witness the fastest U-part wig. Actually, I'm just going to show you guys my little lazy trick. So, first thing you're going to need is, and I'm going to tell you guys now, the thing that's going to take the longest is straightening out my leave out. Putting the U-part wig. So, let's put this in first so it can start getting warm. I did actually pull out my thread and needle bag. Oh, it's got some lace front glue and star eyelash adhesive, but I'm not going to use that. Nope, I'm going for the smart route. First things first, I like to put water on first. So I forgot, they call it something where you do water, oil, whichever one holds in your hair the best, but water always goes good first on my hair. So I'm just going to spritz it because my hair has been, it's usually dry, but it's been holding in. Look at that. And this is not, look how far my hair has grown out. And this is not, I did not have the weave sewn onto these parts, so it wasn't like it was pulling it or something. This is I believe it's the Hair Affinity. So what I'm going to do second is the cream. And this is Hibiscus Leave-In Conditioner from CC's Naturals. Everything I'm using is all natural, of course the water, duh. And this is all natural too. The only thing that looks a little off, well, no, hydrolyzed silk, I don't know what that is, and benzodate, I don't know. Okay, so that's not all natural, but the water, castor oil, and carrot oil, that is. Okay, so usually what I do with my braids in the back is I just put it all in one ponytail, and then I have like a little lump in the back. So I'm gonna try something different. I was watching my sis on YouTube, C-Babe. Okay, it's only 5 minutes. So she used a silk wrap and tied her hair in two. So I don't, but since she said that it made her braids, her weave in the back, her wig flatter in the back, I'm going to try to separate mine and see how that works. So I'll show you guys after I run this one more time. I'm doing the cream still. Okay, and now for the oil. And this is olive oil, mango butter, growth oil. I've been using the QP Elasta products. This olive oil, mango butter line says new. I don't know about that. You know, they just changed the bottles on you. So, okay. So, I'm just running through it. We don't have time to throw this shenanigans. So, okay. That's how we do that. Now, I'm looking for rubber bands because I do not have a silk wrap. But just the whole idea of her doing it in pigtails and then crossing it apart. I'm going to see if that works. We do have 2 different hair textures. So, you know, everything, some things work on other people's hair that might not work on mine. So, it's worth a try. So, what I'm doing is, I'm about to turn around and show you guys. I'm pretty much just, I don't know if that's going to last. Pretty much just putting it in a ponytail, in a pigtail, and running the rubber band down to stretch it out. Or I don't know. Oh, poo. Y'all see that? That was 2 small bands. And I had a feeling one was going to break, but I didn't know the second one would. So, just going to take this further down. And go on. Down, down, baby. Down, down the roller coaster. Sweet, sweet baby. I never let you go. Shimmy, shimmy, cocoa pop. Shimmy, shimmy, wow. Okay, so that side's done. Mama, sick in bed. She called the doctor and the doctor said, let's get the rhythm of the hit. Ding dong. Okay, excuse me. You guys know, well, no you don't know, but I'm letting y'all know tomorrow is church, so gotta get myself together. Okay, so the hair that's hanging out, that's going to be my leave out because I have to put my hair in ponytail for work. And this method of doing the U-part wig lasts just as long as sewing it. Okay, so here goes my trick. what you're gonna need. Bobby pins. Plenty of bobby pins. So, first things first. I'm gonna put my wig exactly where we're going. Actually, I'm gonna put it a little back. Okay, so this is it right here. I don't know if you guys can see me, but what I'm doing is I put a braid around the leave out that I'm doing for my U part. So I'm just gonna put the bobby pin under it. Okay. Another bobby pin. Just as long as I go under the braid, I'll be fine. Okay. And what I actually did was made this U part not as long or thick as the other one. So now my wig has to go a different way. So we'll see how that works. See, we're almost done, you guys. And I'm actually doing the bobby pins extra close here because I'm on the top. But, that didn't go under. But when you get around to the sides and the back, it does not have to be so close together. And I'm actually going behind the first track. I'm not going on the top. Okay. Ooh. Probably would recommend combing out the wig first. But we don't have time for all of that. Okay. And I'm slightly just opening it up, putting my finger through to find the track behind the first track. Okay. Sliding it on. Okay, so this is the first track here, and I'm going behind that track. To get it behind that braid. Underneath that braid. Okay, so you guys get what I'm doing. Okay. This is the quickest U part wig. Do you agree? Have you guys ever tried it like this before? I have. This is when the lazy really comes out of me. Okay. These are the parts that you really want to double your bobby pin right at the top part. Because this really don't want to do one, but somehow it just got really hot in my bathroom. And that is not cool. I'm going to have to open up the door, y'all. Oh, you know what? Maybe it's because I got all this hair on my head all of a sudden. Ooh. So, you guys get the idea, right? It is 14 minutes. I will come back and show you guys the finished look. Okay, so this is pretty much what you got to do, just the bobby pins. I'm going to take this out, straighten it out, part it, and come back. Okie doke. Thanks for watching.